Hello friends, now let's start how to make this. First we can download one application. This application name is Power Director Pro. This app link I can give description friends. First we can open this app. When you can open, the interface will come like this. Then you can click the plus. Then click the OK. Then you can select your original video. Then you can make friends. Now here you can see edit tools, split and split clips removed from the determinants. Many other tools are coming friends. Now we can slow the sound. Now see the video friends. When I can run friends with, then you can pause it, then you can click it, then click this second option, then it will make it slipped. Then when my run is over, here you can click it, then click the same, then it will okay. Then when here I run, click it and click this option second, then it will make. Then you can go here, then click here, then click the pencil option, then click the speed, then you can make it full speed. Now your speed will make. See friends, not make like this, you can delete it friends, and go here, click it, then click these tools, then click the speed, then make it high speed, then you can play. Okay friends, see, let me show you in the first friends. Like this, you can run first, then click, then you can wait friends, then click the video and click the video, then here friends click the FX, then you can click the daily, then click the plus. Now you can see. Now let me show you the video. Like this my video will make. When I can run here, can click here, then click that pencil option, then click the speed, then you can make it full. Now you will be make. See, here I run first, then click the video again, then here you can come, then click the FX, then same daily, click the and click the plus. Let me show you the video friends. Here you can see. Now my video will make. Friends, let me show you the video again. See this video friends, see this video. Like this it will make. Like this it will make friends. Okay friends, if you like this video, please click the like option. If you're new in this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to see my new videos first. Okay.